Now move towards that is next section, that is a wealth report section. Now, with the help of this wealth report, you can cross-check investment of any one of the client for any one of the family. With the help of folio, you can also cross-check. The thing is that with the help of this report second, you can cross-check a report as on date. For an example, today is 11th of November. Then you can 10th of November. Then you can cross-check all the valuation till today. If you want to see a backdate valuation, that is not possible with the help of this report section. Now, second thing regarding to this report section is that if you want to see the investment for other assets, then with the help of this report section, you can cross-check investment for other assets like equity, post office, insurance, like all the investment you can cross-check with the help of this other assets. Now, for that valuation as on date, select branch, select advisor, select view by client or family or by, okay, like client or family, you can also select from here. Then I need to select a client. Okay, now there is some another option that is view transaction. First, that is a live transaction. In the live transaction, it will reflect of recently purchased transaction, which is made recently. Redemption will not include under live transaction. Now, another option that is all transaction. Under this all transaction section, you can cross check all the transaction, that is a redemption, purchase, SIP, switch in, switch out, since investment. You can cross check all the transactions since investment. Now, next, that is a view funds auction. With the help of this view funds, you can select all funds to whom you are on a different place. You can make an investment, that all funds you can cross check with the help of this all funds. If you want to see the report for a particular selected fund, then on that condition, you need to click a selected fund option. Next, that is a selected type. Okay, there is a different fund type wise equity, debt. If you want to check different fund type wise, then you can select a different fund type wise from this section also. Okay, fund type wise is another option, that is if you want to see a valuation for only equity or for only debt or for only other, then you need to make a choice from here. Okay, next, that is a take wise report. If you are going to assign a take to any one of the investment, for an example, investment are done under ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund, and that is for your child education, then you can assign a tag to that particular investment. That is, that particular investment is for our child education. Okay, according to that tag, you can cross check a report. Now, there's another option of show valuation with. Okay, if you want to see a fund detail for any one of the investment, then you can see a fund details. Under fund details, it will include a overall information of that particular fund, of that particular folio, that is a register type, scheme type, benchmark, corpus, last maybe previous performance, bank which is related to that particular fund. Okay, all those information you can cross check, as well as for that particular folio investment, you can cross check a tough equity holdings also, or debt holding. Summary wise report. Under the summary wise report, scheme wise summary, fund house wise summary, goal wise summary will cover there. Okay, and if you want to see a graphical view of all your investment which is done under equity debt, you can cross check with the help of this crop section. Now, when I click over this report section, I'll get a different columns. And if you want to avoid or you don't want to see any one of the column, then you can deselect that section. For an example, if you want to see a since investment column, then you need to deselect or disable that from here. Okay, like that you can cross check. Now, if you want to see generate a report on a web, then you need to select a web. Okay, when you click select a web, there is another option of new tab and show. If you want to show the report on a same tab, then you need to click or directly show. Then on the same tab, report will be open or generated. Okay, I'm going to select any one of the client. Okay, if you want to generate a report on a new tab, on that condition you need to click over this new tab and click over show. Then report will generate reflect on a new tab. Okay, here another option. If you want to send a SMS to your client of that for that particular report, then you can send a SMS to any one of the client. Contact number will be here. If you want to make any changes on this contact number, then you can make a changes from here. Okay, as well as if you want to send a mail to your client, then mail with the help of this email section you can cross send a mail. You can send a mail, a summary wise report as well as a detail wise report. No. Okay, here the investment for that particular client, client PAN number and CAN number will reflect here. Wealth report as on date of 10th of November, address, contact number, current Sensex will reflect here. If you want to take a print of that particular report, then you can take a print. Okay, PDF is also you can get a PDF as well as Excel file from this section. And if you have made any conversation with that particular client and you want to make any notes, then you can make a notes and that will also reflect on a future. Okay, now here mutual fund investment as well as other assets investment are reflecting. Okay, for the mutual fund I'll click over this plus sign. Okay, all those scheme under which scheme we have investment, and since investment is reflecting here. Okay, and I'll click over this scheme, and I'll click over this scheme. Okay, fund detail will reflect here. Okay, a scheme category, scheme type, registrar name, scheme benchmark. Okay, exit load is there or entry load is there or not. All those information related to that particular folio will reflect here. Okay, top 10, top holdings, performance, NAV. With all the information we can cross check as well as for that particular folio investment since 4th of March 2018. Since if it is equity, then Sensex, investment cost, dividend rate, unit purchase NAV, current NAV, NAV date will be a previous date, current value, okay, dividend payout or dividend reinvestment, gain loss, XIR, absolute return, all information you can cross check with the help of this section. As well as if there is a transaction, there is a multiple transaction, that all those transaction you can cross check from here. Now, same as it is for the another scheme also, you can cross check for the another scheme also. Now, when I click over this summary, then fund house wise summary, goal wise summary, or scheme wise summary will be there. For the fund house wise, there is different fund house. For the Aditya Birla Sun Life investment cost is that much, current values that was dividend, gain loss, absolute returns, XIRR. It is reflecting here. Same as it is scheme wise type, scheme type as investment summary is reflecting there for the different scheme types: debt, liquid, investment cost, debt load, duration, equity, investment cost, current value, dividend, gain loss, allocation, how much percent is allocated will reflect here. Scheme past performance for the different scheme of past performance will reflect here. ABSL banking and PSU, ABSL liquid tax relief, past for the 1 day, for the 1 month, for the 3 month, for the 6 month, like for the last 5 year, you can cross check. Okay, now this is all over regarding to your summary. If you want to see analysis, then you can see analysis from here also. Okay, now when I click over this analysis, then it will reflect overall holdings, sector exposure, in which holdings, sectors. It will reflect overall analysis from this section. For example, there are top 10 equity holdings are reflecting here. Okay, if you want to see overall holdings, then you can click over this view more option. Then overall holdings are reflecting here. Top 10 sector exposures is also reflecting under which sectors you have, how much holdings are reflecting here. Top 10 debt holding, if you'll click over this view more, then another holdings other than top 10 will reflect here. Scheme type wise allocation for the different scheme, how much percentage allocated will reflect here, as well as a graphical view of that particular allocation will also reflect here. Portfolio asset allocation will be there. Okay, if you want to see a portfolio asset, then you can cross check a portfolio asset allocation from here also. Okay, how much percent is allocated for a different for the debt, it is 73%, for the equity it is 26%, like that you can cross check allocation with the help of this section. Okay, Now, this is regarding to the analysis of your mutual fund investment. If you want to see a SIP, that SIP running SIP, or which is live SIP, as well as you want to see a all SIP, then you can also cross check that SIP with the help of this section. Okay, when you click over this live SIP, then it will reflect SIP which is currently live, as well as if you want to see a all SIP, the under this all SIP which is terminated as well as live will reflect there. Okay, now next, that is in this SIP section, scheme name, folio, termination date, SIP start date, SIP end date, all things will reflect here. Now, next, that is a goal maker. If you have any goal created for your particular client or family, then all that goal summary you can cross check with the help of this section. And if you want to generate a PDF, then you can generate a PDF also. Capital gain report for a particular financial year, you can cross check a capital gain report also. You need to select a particular financial year for with the help of this section. For an example, I am going to select a financial year 1920 with the help of this one. Then I'll click over this show option. Then for that particular financial year, I'll select a capital gain report. Okay. Now, next, that is a profit and loss report. If you want to see a profit and loss report for any one of the client, for any one of the scheme, then you can select, you can cross check a profit and loss report from this section. Next, that is a dividend history. If you want to see a dividend for any between any time period you have received, then you can also cross check the dividend with the help of this section. For that, you need to make a choice for a different time period. Okay, then you need to select a time period from here. Then you need to click over submit. If you any dividend between that particular time period, then that history will reflect here. Okay, like that you can cross check a dividend history from this section. Now, if you want to see a recent transaction like inflow or outflow, you can also cross check that from this section. For an example, for that I need to make a choice for a particular time period. Okay, then I'll select a transaction type. It should be an inflow or it should be an outflow. Okay, as well as I can select all. Then I'll click over that submit. Okay, between that particular time period, how much inflow, how much outflow, that all thing will reflect here. Okay, now next, that is an upcoming event. If there is an upcoming event like a policy or a renewal or maturity, then you can also cross check with the help of this section. This is all over regarding to your mutual fund investment. If your investment under other section, that is under equity, under debt, under post office, FD, that also you can cross check. For an example, for the equity, client name is reflecting there. Okay, you need to select that particular client. Equity type is BSE or NSE. Quantity, average rate, investment cost, current rate, valuation, absolute returns, XIR for that particular investment. You can also cross check. For the post office also you can cross check. All like that you can cross check other investment or investment which is made under another assets. You can also cross check from here. Based upon that, your mutual fund investment and other assets investment, you can cross check a portfolio allocation for a different investment. For the real estate, it is 23.96. For the community, it is 31. For the FD, it is 25. For the post office, it is 25. Okay, for the equity, it is how much percentage. For the mutual fund, it is how much allocated is reflecting here. If you have another, there is an option of equity and non-equity holdings. Okay, how much percentage allocated for the equity, how much is allocated for the non-equity section, you can also cross check with the help of this section. Okay, this is all over regarding to your wealth report. With the help of this section, you can cross check a report of any one of the client. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, so sorry. Okay, now next, that is regarding to your, for an example, if you want to see a report of any one of the client with the help of that particular folio, then on that condition, you can cross check a report with the help of that folio number also. For that, you need to put a correct folio number here. Then you can cross check a report for that particular folio also.